Hello everyone. And welcome back once again to another interesting video. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of programming languages to explore what it means for a language to be interpreted. So if you are ready, let's start today's video. An interpreted language is a type of programming language where programs are executed line by line, translating and executing each statement or instruction at runtime, rather than compiling the entire program into machine code beforehand. Here's a detailed explanation of interpreted languages. 1. Execution process. In interpreted languages, there's no separate compilation phase where the source code is translated into machine code. Instead, an interpreter directly reads and executes the source code line by line. The interpreter reads each line of code, parses it into an intermediate representation, and executes it immediately. 2. Portability. Interpreted languages are often more portable because they rely on an interpreter that can run on different platforms. As long as the interpreter is available for a particular platform, the code written in the interpreted language can be executed without modification. 3. Development speed. Interpreted languages generally have faster development cycles because developers can quickly write code and immediately see the results of their changes without the need for a lengthy compilation process. 4. Dynamic typing. Interpreted languages often support dynamic typing, where variable types are determined at runtime rather than statically at compile time. This flexibility can lead to faster development but may also introduce runtime errors if not handled properly. 5. Debugging. Debugging in interpreted languages can be easier because errors are often reported line by line as the interpreter executes the code. Developers can quickly identify and fix issues without the need to recompile the entire program. 6. Examples of interpreted languages. 1. Python. Python is a widely used interpreted language known for its simplicity and readability. 2. JavaScript. JavaScript is primarily used for client-side scripting in web development and is executed by web browsers' built-in interpreters. 3. Ruby. Ruby is an interpreted language known for its elegant syntax and productivity. 4. PHP. PHP is commonly used for server-side scripting to create dynamic web pages and is executed by web servers' interpreters. 7. Performance considerations. Interpreted languages typically have slower execution speeds compared to compiled languages because they lack the optimization performed by compilers. However, advancements in interpreter technology, just-in-time, JIT, compilation, and other techniques have narrowed this performance gap in recent years. 8. Interpreted versus compiled languages. In contrast to interpreted languages, compiled languages undergo a separate compilation phase where the source code is translated into machine code before execution. This can result in faster execution speeds but often leads to longer development cycles due to the compilation step. In summary, interpreted languages offer advantages such as portability, faster development cycles, and ease of debugging, but they may have slower execution speeds compared to compiled languages. They are well suited for rapid prototyping, scripting, and web development tasks. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.